Hey there, wonderful YouTube enthusiasts. We're thrilled to have you back, and we couldn't be more grateful for your continued support. As you navigate through your day, we hope you'll take a moment to join us in celebrating the returning subscribers. We have a fantastic surprise just for you. In recognition of your loyalty and dedication, we are excited to announce that you are now part of our exclusive community of returned subscribers. And as a special thank you, we have prepared a delightful collection of tech and tips related tutorials for you to enjoy at no cost. These exclusive tutorials will help you enhance your knowledge, improve your skills, and make the most out of your tech devices. From how to use new software to tutorials on personalization and device optimization, we've got you covered. Remember, this offer is only available for our returning subscribers. So don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to elevate your tech game. Thank you for being a part of our community and for continued support. We can't wait to see you again and share more exciting content with you. Happy watching!